These basic math functions are critical when working with spreadsheets. Let's start with the basic of adding. We're going to type in equals, select a cell, plus sign, select a cell. Subtract is very similar, equals, select a cell, type in the dash or hyphen. And then for dividing, we use the forward slash equals the cell slash the next cell. For multiplying, you're going to use an asterisk, not an X or anything else, equals the number or the cell times the other cell. And you can always use parentheses if you've got something more complicated. That's what it could look like. Now, if we go over to our columns, let's say we want to just get everything added in total. We're going to use equal sum, parenthesis, select the entire column and close the parenthesis, and there's your total added up. You can drag this over to the right and it will repeat that formula for the next column. Now, let's say you want to find the total greater than something. There's some sort of criteria. This is when you would use sum if. Equals sum if, select your column, comma, in quotes, put your criteria, let's say greater than 0. And then we're going to select that column again, close the parenthesis, and hit enter. It makes sense that anything above 0 is the same as the cell above, just a plain sum. Because of what we just did, we are just doing above 0 and there are no blanks or negatives. Now you can drag formulas down and adjust the columns. Let's say this time we want to do sum if greater than 3. So we're going to adjust that as needed, and there's our total. And then this last one is count. Let's say we want to know the total times a number appears. So we're going to get a count of our total cells. 30 looks good.